The pandemic has impacted every aspect of our daily lives, how we relate to our families, friends, and colleagues. Rapid innovation has been required to address many of these challenges. Addressing the immediate and long-term challenges presented by this unprecedented crisis has required human ingenuity, technological breakthroughs, and extraordinary compassion and collaboration to accelerate scientific discovery, improve patient care, and provide safety to frontline workers.
We could see this whole ventilator shortage emerging, and government began to say that it might need some help. It was all about pace. We need ventilators and we need them fast, but we knew that was going to be a huge challenge.
Investing in solutions to address supply chain limitations, track inventory, and support distribution of necessary supplies and personal protective equipment was critical to support organizations during this time. With ventilators in short supply, it was the collaboration of world-leading manufacturers alongside key partners such as Accenture, Avanade, and Microsoft that solved supply chain limitations. Keeping clinicians safe while helping patients with the virus was another high-priority problem to solve. Healthcare teams needed to be able to deliver care effectively for patients, but from a safe distance in order to reduce their own risk of exposure to the virus. Mixed reality on HoloLens 2 had already begun changing the game for the industry. From planning and performing live surgeries, to seeing ultrasounds in 3D, to training doctors, surgeons, and nurses, HoloLens, Remote Assist, and Teams were also vital at Imperial College Healthcare, inside one of London's busiest COVID wards at the peak of the pandemic. There, doctors relied on them to send secure live video feeds from a single doctor to nearby rooms, enabling teams of caregivers to view and provide input on patient care in real time while at a safe distance. As a result, staff time spent in high-risk areas was reduced by more than 80%, helping keep healthcare professionals safer while also reducing PPE usage by more than 700 items per week.
For our patients in the COVID-19 pandemic, we didn't have the luxury of time. We knew we needed to act faster.
At St. Luke's University Health Network in Pennsylvania, Teams was adopted for telehealth services with thousands of staff trained in just 3 days to conduct, document, and schedule virtual visits. By the fourth quarter of 2020, they had handled over 10,000 virtual consults on Teams.
The speed with which the pandemic hit relied on a platform that could work just as fast. And for us, we found that Teams really did help us keep up.
The pandemic has accelerated the adoption of telehealth and remote patient monitoring globally, and its impact will persist beyond the current pandemic. We've also seen the importance of healthcare data interoperability and artificial intelligence to enable efficient allocation of resources, smarter decision-making, and streamlined care processes.
Even before the pandemic began, the need to expand and improve access to care was a top priority for many in the healthcare and technology communities. Advancement in data management and AI enabled technologies such as bots and collaboration tools to better support a continuously evolving industry. Hospital Israelita Albert Einstein started to improve their patient care experience with an emphasis on personalized medicine by incorporating an interactive voice response system into its existing CRM for its call center and maintenance unit. This new system enabled the hospital to become up to 30% more agile, while also reducing average time of service by 5 to 10%. Empowering citizens with information is critical to enhancing the patient care experience. The Government of India equipped its 1.3 billion citizens with a responsible AI tool to provide accurate and useful information on the pandemic. MyGov Sathi can handle up to 300,000 users per day and 20,000 concurrent users per minute. The virtual agent provides answers for queries to encourage behaviors that minimize transmission and exposure to the virus. With an emphasis on empowering health professionals with vital information more quickly, Northwell Health developed multiple apps to better support care coordination and enhance the patient experience using Power Platform.
Having people on the same page, communicating and jointly planning care is absolutely vital in this day and age. Of all the technologies that we've implemented in the last 10 years, Teams is the most transformative of all.
Nora, a chat-based app, helps clinicians find patient information and test results on their smartphone so they can answer questions immediately. The app represents a communications solution centered around improving care delivery, connecting data across systems to get vital information as soon as it is available. This type of speed, agility, and collaboration has never been more important than now, as countries and healthcare organizations across the globe are faced with complex vaccine distribution and management to stop the spread of COVID-19.
Technology plays an essential role in accelerating the safe, efficient, and equitable distribution of the vaccine. It helps facilitate cross-agency collaboration, enables remote work, and delivers trusted services without interruption.
Microsoft has launched and participated in collaborative efforts with its partners, committing to empowering researchers, governments, organizations, individuals, and communities worldwide with the technology and tools to vaccinate more people quickly, safely, and equitably. As FedEx plays a critical role in vaccine delivery, the Surround platform was developed as a tool that uses data to manage and track inventory in real time, addressing cold chain logistical issues to support vaccine distribution. The state of Minnesota has developed a comprehensive public vaccine data dashboard to empower individuals and local communities with valuable insights, such as available doses, number of residents vaccinated, and other key information. All organizations need to be able to move quickly, embarking on large-scale campaigns. The pandemic has made it clear that health transcends every border, impacting every person.
Understanding data in real time is more critical than ever, as medical teams and researchers race to understand the virus today and develop better diagnostics, therapeutics, and vaccines.
The Norway Health Analytic Platform represents a groundbreaking new health analytics platform, providing safe, efficient, and quick access to vital information. The platform uses the power of the cloud to analyze and interpret data, reducing research turnaround times and access to data from months to a matter of minutes or days. This transformation enables researchers to determine the best treatment for specific conditions, such as heart arrhythmias and various cancers, aimed at radically improving the life of patients while offering an estimated $1 billion in value for the country. Technology-driven innovations like this and others represent strong potential to improve healthcare organizations' abilities to transform their care ecosystems, to deliver more convenient integrated care to patients, enhance productivity for their clinicians, reduce cost, and improve health outcomes. A digital first responder mindset means working with customers on the front lines, including governments, health providers, schools, food suppliers, and other commercial customers, critical to the continuity and stability of services in every country.
Vaccinations provide us with the safest path to recovery. However, we need to accelerate the pace of vaccinations and at the same time ensure that we are inclusive in our approach. This will require close collaboration across public and private sectors, data sharing using open standards, secure technologies, and analytics and artificial intelligence to improve decision-making.
The rapid innovation and advancement that the healthcare industry has driven during the past year has been critical to tackling some of the immediate challenges. While we're not yet clear of the threats posed by the pandemic, Accenture, Avanade, and Microsoft remain committed to partnering with organizations around the globe to continue innovating to solve this once-in-a-century crisis. And the solutions we create together today advance healthcare for all of us, for tomorrow.